We've got a 2-for-1 special for you today, folks, all in the name of making our garage door look a little bit better. We've got the Yurroad 32-piece window magnet kit designed to make it look like you have a window on your garage or lots of little windows on your garage. And then we've also got this AntiqueSmith hardware kit. So let's take a look. As you can see right now, we just have these basic white plain garage doors. They're actually yellow a week ago till I painted them, so we're already doing better, but let's see how this hardware works. All right, getting these out of the package, first thing I'll tell you, they are extremely light. They feel pretty cheap, but these magnets actually feel pretty strong. So they're designed to go really wherever you think they make the most sense on your garage. For me, I am putting them kind of down towards the bottom here, but as you can see, super easy to maneuver however you see fit. Same thing with these hinges. Got some strong magnets on them. They feel really cheap and flimsy, but I guess if they're just for decoration, I really don't care as long as they stay on the garage. Goes on really easy, and yeah, that's simple. I have multiple garage doors, and one of the ones that I got here is defective. It is missing its magnet, so it looks obviously kind of weird and isn't going to hold as strong. So this one's unfortunately going to be going back to Amazon. All right, I've got the hinges and handles on, and I definitely do feel like that added some character. I'm liking how that looks. Let's see how the windows do. All right, for the windows, there's a very shiny, glossy side and a little bit duller side. The dull side is what you're going to want to put down. And just like the other ones, they just stick right here, and you have to kind of finagle them to your liking here. I'll show you that a little closer in a minute here. Okay, so you can kind of see what I was talking about with the spacing. With me, I left about 1 inch on each side, just try to make it as even as possible. I don't know if there's really any set way to do this. Just so you can kind of get a comparison, I'm halfway done with this door. Here's what the window side looks like, and here's what the other side looks like. I don't know, I think it's looking pretty good. It definitely adds something, and I mean, if you're right up next to it, of course, you're gonna be able to tell it's not really a window. But I feel like from any reasonable distance, it looks pretty realistic. Okay, about 20 minutes later, I've got windows and hinges and handles on all 3 of my doors. I think in all, it spent maybe 60 bucks or so on this, and I feel like it definitely added a little bit of curb appeal and something cheap and easy to try. So it's magnets, you're not out anything. If you don't like it, return it. So I'd say give it a shot if you're on the fence on this one. So far, so good.